Hi guys! So today in this video I will be trying an Edam wedge cheese. It sounds disgusting, but it looks nice. So I have a plate here just in case it's disgusting. I'll spit it out. So opening time. Snip. It won't even open. There we go. I did a little slit. Ah! Just open! I'm just gonna cut it.
You want some help?
Nope, I'm cutting it. Cut. Yeah, now I can rip it. Oh, it stinks, guys. So, if you were here right now and you smelled it, you too would be saying it stinks. It feels wet. I'm going to spray this room with air freshener after. Okay, just empty it out onto the plate. Most what I could smell is chicken, because there's chicken around me. Oh. I only licked it. Goodbye. Goodbye forever. Yo, Daddy, you want to eat it?
Mm?
Do you want to eat it?
Not just yet, no.
I literally just licked it and it was disgusting.
Nice.
Okay, so next we have jelly beans. It's just like being boozled, but with nicer flavours, I guess. You can't really see it. But there, you can't read it, so I'll read it. So there's a bubble gum. I'm not going to read all of them, to be honest. So, open up. These smell a lot nicer than the cheese. And I'm doing, okay, so I'll shake it up to shuffle on. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. So I am getting one. I got a light pink with blue speckles. And that is a candy floss flavour. That's a lot nicer than cheese. Okay, on to number 3. Woo! Next is chicken. This is really nice. And now it's on to number 4. Number 4 is more chicken. I like chicken. Guys, that was really nice. But sadly, that's it for today. Bye.